Now, take that in, let it sink in. Look how sweet that looks. So we're going to be talking about the single turbo 370Z that we built or building. We are rounding home on it, but this is for one of our 2 sponsored drivers for FD Pro-Am at Lake Erie Speedway this year. This is Bryan's. Our other sponsored driver is Tom. As you've seen in a couple other videos, the blue LS3 BRZ. But so this thing, we did a boatload of work on it. I got a cage kit, FD spec cage. So we pulled out the interior, caged the car. It's getting a fuel system, or it has a fuel system. We put a radium surge tank in it, ID injectors. But we're gonna talk about this real quick. So everything obviously built in-house. You know that by now, right? So we use the factory exhaust manifolds. So we cut them back, added a V-band, and we made custom downpipes. So this downpipe from the V-band down goes into a slip connector. Slip connector is only there for easeability of removing the turbo kit. So it'll get clamped. I don't want to make it one solid piece because things do move every once in a while once the heat cycles. So this gives you the option to kind of make sure everything is 100% tight and everything is leak free. So then it goes into a vibrant merge collector. This is all pie cut, again, in-house. And then it's actually connected to a, it's new to me, it's not new, but a Comp 6062 oilless turbo. So a lot of the CTSVs and the twin turbo Mustangs, they use the Huron's kit. These are the exact same turbos. So it's just got a single grease fitting right here. It's kind of cool. The concept's cool. So we're going to see how it kind of does this year with the abuse side of things for drifting. So the only thing that's really left on this, the exhaust is 100% done. On the fabrication side of things, welded all the way around. We added these custom exhaust hangers. I just have to drop it down one more time, finish welding here, finish welding the exhaust hanger, add an O2 sensor for the wideband, and finish welding the bung, or not bung, but the V-band to the bellow. I like to do that when everything's connected, so none of the flanges warp. Because obviously, if you guys don't know that, if you guys add a bunch of heat to a V-band without the other opposing side, so male or female side, it will end up leaking. So we like to attach everything, back purge everything, and weld it. The only other thing we have to drop this thing down for is, you can kind of see it, there's a little mark. So that's where the merge collector, or not merge, sorry, wastegate is going. I don't have a cameraman, so it's gonna be somewhat difficult, but kind of get the idea here. Doesn't hit anything. Really good clearance. So we got to drop it down, chuck it up in the Bridgeport, and then mill this all out, make it so it's very nicely fitting. And then we have the charge pipes from the intake to finish up to the intercooler. I have to grab 2 new 90 boots. So we had to cut out the core support for the 3-inch intakes. It had 2.5-inch intakes on it beforehand. I want to do 3. And then we used a Treadstone twin turbo intercooler setup, made these custom mounts. And then we're using all vibrant couplers and vibrant piping. So this thing's going to be super sweet when it's done. We have a dyno day somewhat scheduled. So we should be buttoning this thing up in the next, I don't know, a couple days. We just got to wait for a couple silicone couplers. And then I have to do the charge pipe to the turbo. But we're waiting on a vibrant cast elbow. So we're going to go smaller diameter on the elbow. And we're going to step it up to a 3-inch. Other than that, fuel system, radium setup that we put in there. ID 1050s. It's got Deechwork 420 pumps in it. It's going to be running full 1 ethanol drum fuel. So we're shooting for about 550. That'd be kind of the happy medium mark for us. That should be plenty for Pro-Am. It'll have multiple maps, so if it's raining, it'll be on 7 psi. Full kill mode be 14. So other than that, this thing's turning out pretty sweet. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. This is a one-off kit, so I don't plan on making these because that's a lot of work, and I don't have a jig. I didn't make a jig for it. This is just super custom, one-off. So again, comment what you guys think. Comment what you guys think this thing's gonna put down, and also comment on see what you guys your guys' opinion on those Comp 6062 oilless turbos. I'm kind of curious. I want to see if anybody has any failures, or you guys are just out there shredding them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a quick just talk about it. Alrighty, see you.